the solutions to some of the greatest, most daunting problems of our age are actually really simple. So my name's Andrew Millison, and I am a Senior Instructor 2 in the Horticulture Department, and I teach permaculture. I have been doing a lot of going and visiting projects and looking at case studies around the world at some of the most successful land regeneration, ecosystem restoration projects on the planet. So I went with the World Food Program, and I went and I visited some of their land restoration projects that they are doing to combat desertification in the Sahel. The Sahel is the edge of the Sahara Desert. I produced a video for the World Food Program that was very successful. It was this incredible outreach piece, and it's had to date almost 15 million views. So they asked me back, they're like, well, that project in Senegal was nice, but that's actually a very small project compared to what we have in Niger and Chad. I'm producing a 4-part series. 1 video from Niger and then 3 videos from Chad. For Oregon State to be working with the World Food Program, the largest humanitarian agency on the planet, helping to document and then communicate their work, I think is a really positive partnership. Working with the World Food Program, for me, that's the ultimate. You know, I'm looking for where are leverage points in the world to actually make the greatest amount of positive change.
Land-grant universities are really well positioned to have incredible impact on these sticky global issues that require a lot of collaboration. We're sharing knowledge, we're learning things along the way. So Andrew's project is a good example of what you could bring back to the courses that he teaches. So he's not just providing theoretical examples, he's showing real world, high quality videos, impactful stories of what it means to take the knowledge that you have, whether it's in soils or food or plant or animal health, natural resource conservation, and really bringing it out there and applying it to real world solutions that are going to make a difference, whether it's making a difference with hunger, whether it's making a difference with climate solutions, with economic prosperity. There's so many ways that we as a land-grant university can take our skills and help the world.
The cutting edge is not always in a particularly safe place, you know, because sometimes the places that are hardest hit are the ones that are willing to, you know, take a risk and make a large-scale solution. And when you take a place that has some level of devastation and you start to turn that into a place that actually provides for people and has natural abundance, natural wealth, the results are really dramatic.
Our faculty really do need to be involved and engaged in parts of the world where they're going to see communities that are pushing the envelope on new technologies, on new approaches, because they have to, because they are at the forefront of things like climate change and issues around food security. And so it's really important we get out there, and it's really important that we engage around the world.
The people that I met in Niger and Chad that work for the World Food Program, work for these NGOs, these are the equivalent to our OSU students here, but they're in these countries. And they're out there on the front lines, they're working with people, and they're really making a real impact. I guess I would say to OSU students, you are armed with the capacity to really make a strong positive impact in the world.